today this is going to kind of be my reset video. Hi everyone, welcome back to Mrs. D. Thank you so much for joining me today, and this is just kind of a quick video just to let you know where I've been, what I've been doing. It has been a minute since I last posted out any content on YouTube. It's been a bit of a crazy time actually. So obviously I was posting out videos sort of weekly back in October 22, and I was really consistent with that up until April 23. That's when I went back to work, and I was still able to film videos, but it kind of went more to a monthly schedule rather than that weekly schedule. And what's interesting is it kind of coincided with me getting monetized. So I literally got monetized just as I went back to work. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. And I'd had it in my head that I would keep doing YouTube for a year. And if I didn't get monetized in that time, then I would kind of reconsider and kind of rebalance my life and think, what is it that I'm doing this for? Because I have a very clear vision in my head as to what I'm doing, why I'm doing it. And a lot of that is about kind of documenting my passive income journey, and I guess kind of my ambition to get to a point where I can kind of stop that 9 to 5 Monday to Friday sort of weekly grind. So like I say, I went back to work, and then actually in the September I got a promotion. So at this point I'm still posting monthly, or perhaps maybe a couple of times a month to monthly. And then I got the promotion and it definitely went to monthly. The promotion was really full on, but really loved and believed in what I was doing. So it kind of has just massively taken over my life. On top of that, we had a few family situations that happened, and I guess that might kind of feed into some of my videos a bit later on down the line, with some kind of the books and things that I want to make and create for Amazon KDP. Since the promotion, I haven't posted anything further on KDP, on Etsy, YouTube. I continued posting until I think it was about February this year, so 24, and now I haven't posted since then. So we're kind of like 4 months out, and a big project that I was just working on has come to an end, and the burnout that I have felt due to that has been so extreme that I just felt like, okay, I need to reset, reevaluate what it is I'm doing, why I'm doing it, and kind of come back to basics. So really long way of kind of telling you, but today this is going to kind of be my reset video. This is what my intention is. These are my goals. I like to verbalize it as well as writing it down, so that you're held accountable and it makes them come to life. And maybe no one listens to this video, and that's absolutely fine. My channel isn't necessarily about goal setting, but in any sort of business that you're in, you should definitely be thinking about that side of things as well. I guess the way that I like to start my goal setting is about picking, what is my end goal? My end goal is to be able to give up that job. It is, and you need to kind of decide what number is right for you. I currently have a mortgage. We've got children that are currently of nursery age, so we're paying for nursery spaces. We've got 2 cars, 3 children. Our expenses as a family, I think, are reasonable, but I kind of want to earn a bit better than what I'm earning now. So my monthly number is 7,000 a month. That's what I want to earn. Plus I need to have a minimum of 6 to 12 months of safety saved up in the bank. Now, just so you're aware, I am currently nowhere near that. But I am earning money, and despite not posting anything on YouTube, despite not putting up any KDP books, anything on my Etsy shop, I have still been making sales, and I have still been making money out of AdSense, out of affiliate marketing, because what I'm putting out there is things that people might buy at any time of the year. My YouTube videos are tutorials and information that people will find interesting at any time of the year, particularly when starting out on their passive income journey. So yes, I haven't been making that anywhere near that much, in fact, but I'm happy that even though I've taken this massive step back, that I've still earned. Now I've earned around about £150 to £200 a month from all of those different pots. I guess what I'm trying to say is that by not making anything, it's made things even clearer to me that this is what I need to do. I need to be pushing myself forward so that I can start to take that back seat. So as I say, my goal long term, and I haven't got a date on it, it kind of, I think, set the smaller chunks is the 7,000 a month. But my goal for the second half of this year is to get myself by December to a place where I'm earning £500 per month from all of those avenues, all of them. And that's a great goal to have, but I needed to kind of break it down a little bit further. So the way that I'm going to do this is I'm going to be committing to doing 4 YouTube videos a month, so 1 a week basically. I am going to commit to putting 100 new items on my Etsy shop. I am also going to commit to making 10 new journals, puzzle books in my niche, so that I can start to build up on that. And I'm also going to be putting a bit more focus on the marketing and the brand awareness of that as well. And the Etsy shop almost kind of links in really nice with it. It's in the same niche, so that's really cool. And then I also have this ambition that I would like to, by the end of this year, have created a children's faith storybook. So I need to kind of delve into that a lot more, but I'm happy to take you guys on that journey with me as I'm creating it. You know, I'm going to write the story. I want to get proper illustrations done, and kind of really take a bit of a spiritual journey with it. Now, also within kind of the last 8 months since I've got the promotion, there have been some like lifestyle changes for me as well. So I've become like a lot more sedentary. I've put on weight. I've just kind of, I've neglected myself because I've put work first, that's for sure. And I would say actually even, you know, sort of family life has suffered because of that, and that's why I really need to rebalance. So just a few other sort of smaller goals that I'm going to be adding in is to read for 20 minutes a day, journal every day. So I need to start putting down what are my focuses for that day. So today I actually decided that I was going to kind of, I don't fully write out my YouTube scripts, I ad-lib them, which is why I might be a little bit rambly, and I'm sorry about that, guys. But I bullet point what the points are that I want to talk about. So I actually did that today, and I kind of, what I want to do is get to a point where I'm breaking down the activities I need to do, because I've been getting so overwhelmed lately with like what it is I have to do in a day that I need to get back to basics. So what I want to be doing is every day I want to be reading, journaling, and ensuring that I'm getting some kind of physical activity as well. So whether that be walking, running, I've actually committed to myself that next year I'm going to run the London Marathon for a charity that is very close to my heart, and I'll give you more information about that way closer to the time. And yeah, I want to start taking care of myself better so I can start taking care of my family better, and this is all going to kind of feed into that. So it's just about getting smarter and more productive with my time. Anyway, I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. I know it's been quite a while since I last posted, and thank you if you have bared with me to this point. I'm currently about to go and film a second video right now, which is about 10 mistakes that you may be making on Amazon KDP that might be hurting your sales. So if it's next week already, check it out. See you soon. Bye.